Expression for volumetric efficiency of reciprocating air compressor. Consider PV diagram considering clearance volume. 122 is a compression considering index of compression as N1. 223 is the delivery. 324 is the expansion considering process of expansion as index of expansion as N2. 421 is the suction, which is the actual suction. Therefore, we will write V1 minus V4 is equal to actual volume which is entering inside the cylinder after the expansion. The piston displacement, piston is displaced from point 1 to 2, which is from BDC to TDC. Therefore, piston volume saved by the piston is equal to Vs, and the after TDC volume left is equal to clearance volume. Vc is equal to clearance volume. Vs is equal to swept volume, which is also called as piston displacement or theoretical volume. V1 minus V4, this portion V1 minus V4 is the actual capacity of the cylinder or the compressor. V1 minus V4 is written as V actual, or V1 minus V1 is equal to effective swept volume. C is the clearance ratio, which is the ratio of Vc upon Vs. Now, volumetric efficiency. What is volumetric efficiency? Volumetric efficiency is defined as the ratio of actual capacity to the theoretical capacity. Therefore, eta vol is equal to V1 minus V4 upon Vs. But V1 is equal to Vc plus Vs and Vc is equal to V3. Eta vol is equal to V1 minus V4 upon Vs, take it as equation number 1, but V1 is equal to Vs plus Vc, take it equation number 2. Consider process 324. 324 is the expansion, polytropic expansion process. This is a polytropic expansion process, and we know for this expansion process we have taken index of expansion as N2. Therefore, P3 V3 raised to power N2 is equal to P4 V4 raised to power N2. But P2 is equal to P3 and P4 is equal to P1 and V3 is equal to Vc. Therefore, we will replace P3 by P2, V3 by Vc, P1 by P4 by P1, and V4 will be V4 here. Therefore, I will find the value of V4. V4 is equal to Vc, P2 by P1 raised to power 1 by N2. Now, I will replace the value of V4 and V1 in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 implies eta vol is equal to Vs plus Vc minus Vc, P2 by P1 raised to power 1 upon N2. Divide by Vs. Now, dividing by Vs, Vs upon Vs is 1, Vs upon Vc upon Vs is C, again Vc upon Vs is C, P2 by P1 raised to power 1 upon N2. Therefore, the equation of volumetric efficiency will be eta vol is equal to 1 plus C minus C, P2 by P1 raised to power 1 by N2. Now, N2 is the index of expansion. In general, in most of the cases, index of compression is same as that of index of expansion. Therefore, we will consider N1 is equal to N2 is equal to N. Therefore, this equation will be eta vol is equal to 1 plus C minus C, P2 by P1 raised to power 1 upon N. And the general equation of volumetric efficiency is eta vol is equal to V1 minus V4 upon Vs. N2 is the index of expansion. If the N2 is not given, consider N1, N is equal to N1 is equal to N2. But this volumetric efficiency is in suction condition. Suction condition means when suction condition and atmospheric condition are same. When suction pressure and atmospheric pressure is same. Suction temperature and atmospheric temperature is same. Suppose the suction temperature and suction pressure is different than the atmospheric condition and atmospheric pressure and atmospheric temperature. In that case, we have to express volumetric efficiency in terms of ambient condition. Therefore, volumetric efficiency based on ambient condition, we will calculate M is equal to P1 V1 minus V4 upon RT1. If you are taking it for atmospheric condition, therefore P1 will be equal to P atmospheric, V1 minus V4 will be equal to V atmospheric upon R, T will be equal to T atmospheric. Now, volumetric efficiency for ambient condition is equal to eta vol ambient is equal to V1 minus V4 upon Vs. Here we will consider V1 minus V4 as atmospheric condition. From above equation, find the value of V1 minus V4 atmospheric and put in this equation. Then this equation become P1 upon T1 into T atmospheric upon P atmospheric, V1 minus V4 upon Vs. Now, V1 minus V4 upon Vs